Hey, this is for you. If you're balling on a budget, need a quick weave, and a protective hairstyle, stay tuned and watch. Alright, here it is. This is the new Naturale hair. It is human quality. It's actually human infused. So I got this from my local beauty supply. You can see the pack right here. Really nice. And on the pack you can see that it says you can curl this hair up to 400 degrees. I actually tried to do so it's safe. It has a funny smell, but it's not like one of those crazy smells, how usually, some synthetic hair smell, basically. But yeah, this hair is really nice, so we're gonna get right into it. So all I did was took a wig cap and I placed it on my mannequin head. Now I didn't show you all this part because I didn't want the video to be so long, so that we can get to the point, because I know how, everybody just want to see the final results. And I was very geeked to see the final results as well. So this hair is good. It don't have that much shedding. As you can see, like, I'm using my comb and I'm like combing through it. It's really smooth. Okay, so I know you're looking at this like, what the heck is this? Don't worry, just cut all of that cap off. That's it. Just cut the cap and then go ahead and put the wig on so that you can look like this.